Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video I want to talk to you about a Shopify bulk editor, which you can use to edit products, collections, pages, blog posts and your customers' data in bulk. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. So if you make frequent changes to your products, such as seasonal sales, so changing of the prices, changing variants, changing the product details, and you've got hundreds and hundreds of products to edit, Shopify bulk editor makes it very easy for you to change majority of the elements. Editing each product one by one is a really lengthy process. And unless you've got hours and hours to spend on it, bulk editor is really the best choice. You can edit most important elements such as product title, price, tags, which as we know are really important to help your website visitors find the right product when using the search function on your website. You can also edit your Google snippet, shipping methods, weight of the products, and much more. You can edit collections, pages, and blog posts the same way, but you will have different elements to work on, obviously. Now let's see the bulk editor in action. As you log in to your Shopify admin, you need to go to all products and select all of the products you want to edit. You can select all of them, so it will select the first 50 products because 50 products are displayed on the first page. You can also select only some of the products you want to work on, and when ready, click Edit Products. Now, on the next page, you can add the elements you want to work on, and Shopify gives you really big selection of the elements you can edit in their bulk editor. Title, tags, product type, and parts of attribution. Then if you scroll down, you've got parts of pricing, inventory, so obviously the stock, shipping, and SEO. You can select any of those if you want to work on a large number of elements. I suggest selecting only 3 or 4 at a time, and then remove the one once you finished working. Otherwise, you will have a lot of elements in the top bar, and this table will be really wide, which will be quite difficult for you to see the columns you want to work on. If you want to change the size of one of the columns, you can simply drag and drop the divider and also remove the elements you don't want. So simply click the X to remove them. And simply add the field you want to work on. So let's say product title, tags, let's say quantity, shipping weight of each item, and let's say the meta description as well, so part of Google snippet. Okay, let's move these a little bit. Meta description is here, inventory, quantity. You can see all of them on the screen. And if you click on each of these cells, you can edit the number in each cell. So obviously you can edit them this way. When finished, always remember to click Save to save the changes. And this is the same way you can edit collections, pages, blog posts, and customers. It's easiest 1, 2, 3. I also have another video on how to use the product editor step by step, so make sure to check it out. Shopify also offers plenty of bulk editing apps, and I review 5 of them in my latest blog post, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. If you prefer to work on external sheets such as Excel, some of the Shopify apps can also be integrated with Excel or other work documents, and I also review the best apps to use in this method in the blog post, so make sure to check this link below. Some of the apps also allow you to schedule the price changes. So for example, if you want to schedule the seasonal sale in advance, and if you want the prices to drop by 10% for selected items and then go back to the regular price after the sale ends, you don't have to make the changes manually. Some of the apps allow you to do that and schedule the changes in advance. So let me know, are you using bulk editor on a regular basis? What elements do you work on most frequently? Did you notice any issues when using the editor? Feel free to ask any questions and I'd be happy to help. If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye!